Welcome to the Garage USA. I'm Jonathan Brinke, and today I'm going to be doing the front CV axles on my 2012 Mercedes C300. Thanks for joining me. So I'm already into this work. It started out just being the front wheel bearings. However, upon inspecting those CV axles, I'm going to be doing those as well. So this is going to be its own video of replacing those CV axles. So let's go ahead and get started.
Okay, so with the wheel off, the next step will be to remove that brake caliper. There's a couple of bolts on the back side, and then that caliper will just come off. Alright, so with the caliper off, the rotor off, pull the dust cap off, and I have an e-torque for the axle bolt. This is actually, what is this, an E24. So, there we go. So we got to take this off, then we'll be able to slide the spindle out of here. Oh, wow. Alright, so we got some bolts we got to take out on the strut, and then we can push that axle in to get that out of the way.
Of course, it's not at a great angle. Fucking hell.
May have to grab a rubber mallet and smack that side.
Yep. What do we got for a rubber mallet?
So it was a little bit of a struggle to get that CV axle in on the inside, and we did end up having to use a hammer, use the old axle bolt, and kind of persuade that in.
Okay. That. No. We didn't take anything out of this top here, did we? You've driven to Germany, burned down Mercedes Benz. That's what I feel like Matt was like, just so frustrated. Alright, now I need the E-bolt.
Yeah, I think it's that one.
Yeah.
And you need, I think you're going.
On. Alright, are you still recording?
So with the new CV axle in, I do still have to put on the new brake rotor and the caliper, and then torque all of this to the torque specs. Since I am doing multiple things here, I am going to have a separate video for the brakes. However, that's pretty much all there is other than setting the torque specs on that axle bolt. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a like, share, comment, and subscribe. I'd like to thank you for watching the Garage USA. I'm Jonathan Brinke, and I'll see you next time.